question asks us to predict the ratio of these products in this reaction with no information about the mechanism, just based purely on statistical distribution. What that means is we need to look at the starting material and see how many possibilities there are for this reaction to occur at each position. Looking at the starting material, if I look at this carbon has 2 hydrogens attached, whereas the carbon on the right has 3 hydrogens attached. In this reaction, we are replacing a hydrogen with a deuterium on one of these 2 carbons. Apparently, given the information we have, the carbon on the left doesn't react at all in this reaction. It's possible that we could replace one of these 2 hydrogens or one of these 3 hydrogens. There are more of these hydrogens, which statistically should say that the carbon on the right is more likely to react than the carbon on the left. Again, with no information about the mechanism, just based on statistics. Therefore, I'd expect 2 of these products for every 3 of these products. The ratio I'd expect for these products would be 2 to 3. Or if you want to scale it up, I'd expect a 40 to 60 ratio for these products based only on statistical distribution.